Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I have the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette. I'm a little disappointed in it, to be honest with you. Some of the shades don't even show up. This Sugar Rush shade right here, this pretty purple, it has sparkle in it, but it's almost like a topper. It doesn't really show up. So I'm going to try to lean more neutral in this palette. Oh, and I also picked up the Natural Chocolate Golden Cocoa, their bronzer. Has a light chocolate smell to it, not like their old stuff. Alright, so let's get into the palette. I'm going to go into Bitter Half right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease. There's no kick up. And it blends out nicely. This white here has some type of a sparkle in it. I wish they almost would have left it white. Like a matte white. Then a lot of these tones are pretty similar. I'm going to go into Cake My Day and put that in my outer V. The shadows blend really nicely. And for shimmer, I'm gonna go I Am the Dessert. The shimmers in here are nice. The shimmers in here are nice. It does a nice brown look. You know what I mean? It has a gold that's really good. The only questionable shades are this one right here, which is Sugar Rush, and then this one right here, which is Blusher Tart. Other than that, the rest of them are fine. I don't know. I just, for $54, I didn't pay $54 with it for it. I used Ulta points. So if you have a gift card and you don't care about those two shades, then I say, yeah, get it. It's fun. You can do a lot of neutral looks with it. However, I don't suggest paying $54 for the palette. I really don't. All right, let's try out this bronzer. My color is Natural Chocolate. Well, no, Golden Cocoa. Use my BK Beauty 103. Oh, this is nice. It's not patchy. This is a nice bronzer. I do recommend this. It's not kapow. It can be built up. Which is what you want in a bronzer. This is a good product. This product is really good. This is a first impression, by the way. Except for the eyeshadow palette. I swatched those. And let me do my blonzer by Bare Minerals. It's the Kiss of Pink that I have. I got this last year before they re-released them. Very pretty. Very pretty. All in all, I'm not mad at the chocolate bar palette, but I didn't pay $54 for it. That's why I'm not mad at it. I can still utilize it and use it for different looks and things like that. Do I think it's out of this world? No. I like the cinnamon bun palette better, to be honest with you. Will I continue to buy Too Faced? Yes, because I'm a sucker. Sucker for the packaging and the marketing. But Too Faced isn't all that bad. Too Faced has a good foundation, things like that. So they're really good. Well, anyways, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Oh, let me put on my lip gloss that I got that's new. It's from Persona. And it is in honey. It's a honey gloss. I got this from BoxyCharm. I am glad I picked this up. This is the perfect summer color. It's in honey. It's called Honey. And it looks like this. It's the perfect summer gloss for this look. Oh well. Anyways, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the like button, please. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.